Hello and welcome to Waltz Basic Plus lessons. Here we explore basic waltz figures which are described in technique books and also interesting basic choreographies. And today we will look at natural weave from promenade position, which we developed from weave from promenade position. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So we will start with weave from promenade position, and then we will change few things and we will have, let's say, new figure, natural weave. So weave from promenade position, we start of course from promenade position, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And as you see, this figure turns to left. Now we will change two things. First thing, in first bar we will turn to right, which is open natural turn, and we continue with outside change and we finish in promenade position. So let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us weave from promenade position, which is basic figure described in technique books. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. From opposite angle. Notice that we start in promenade position and we turn to left and again slight turn to left. And now we will change. First part we will turn to right, and this is open natural turn, from also allowed in basic figures. So we turn open natural turn and then outside change, but we finish in promenade position. Very good. Let's do it again from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we will add more turn to left in outside change. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at double reverse spin, which we will use in our routine. So remember, lady has heel turn, then side and cross in front. And it's important that man dances around lady and doesn't distort her balance. And 1, 2, and 3. And now we will add, before double reverse spin, wing. Man has 1 step, lady 3 steps. So we start from promenade position and 1, 2, 3, and man goes outside on lady's left side and dances double reverse spin. Very good. Let's look it again. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now let's put together 3 figures we already have. So we start from promenade position and we dance natural weave from promenade position. Then we continue with wing And from wing position we dance double reverse spin. Very good. From opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. After double reverse spin, we will dance open telemark, and from promenade position we dance chassé. Very good. Let's do it from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Now let's do 2 figures. We will start this choreography. So we will dance preparation step, and after preparation we dance natural turn 3 steps and then open impetus and finish in promenade position. Notice that in open impetus man has heel turn. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's put all things together and let's see how it looks in our today's routine. So we start with preparation step, then natural turn, then open impetus turn, then natural weave from promenade position. We continue with wing, then double reverse spin, open telemark, and chassé from promenade position. Very good. Let's do it again, this time with teaching count. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.